The 2020-2023 Lincoln Navigator key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is the CR2032 battery that powers the key fob. Replacing the battery yourself saves money, but improper handling can damage the fob. This video guides you through a safe DIY replacement. We'll cover everything you need to know, step by step. Typical signs of a low-key fob battery include reduced range, where the fob only works when very close to the vehicle. Intermittent response means the buttons sometimes don't work or respond inconsistently. A warning message may appear on your Navigator's dashboard, such as key fob battery low or no key detected. Don't ignore these signs, as a completely dead battery will prevent you from starting your car remotely or unlocking the doors. Always address issues right away. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need a CR2032 battery, preferably an OEM or name brand like Duracell. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gloves are optional but recommended to prevent oil transfer. A battery tester is also helpful, but not essential. Avoid using sharp metal objects that could scratch or damage the fob. Locate the seam on the edge of the key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Gently insert your pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Start at the top and work your way around. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side usually facing up. Use a pry tool if needed to gently dislodge the battery. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts or the circuit board underneath. Proper orientation is critical for the new battery to work correctly. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old battery did. Pay close attention to polarity. The battery has a positive terminal with the plus sign and a negative terminal on the other side. Always match the orientation from the old battery. Once positioned correctly, press down firmly on the battery to ensure it's securely seated in the holder. A loose battery can cause intermittent problems with your key fob. After installing, double-check that the battery is properly aligned and seated. This prevents connectivity issues and ensures reliable operation. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, applying even pressure. Ensure the seam is completely closed and there are no gaps. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm remote start, lock-unlock, and panic functions. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and seating. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the new battery might be faulty or the fob may require reprogramming. Check your owner's manual or consult a dealer for reprogramming instructions. Using non-OEM or low-quality batteries can cause erratic behavior or reduced range. Stick to genuine CR2032 batteries recommended by Ford to ensure reliable performance. For complex issues like circuit damage or persistent failures, consider professional service. Dealership technicians have diagnostic tools to identify and fix problems properly. DIY battery replacement has a high success rate, but be aware of warranty risks. Improper handling might void coverage if the fob needs repair later. Always handle the key fob with care during disassembly and reassembly. Avoid dropping it or applying excessive force to prevent damage to internal components.